Alright, let's get straight to it. If you're looking for the ultimate refreshment, especially on a hot day, you've got to try this coconut water cooler. I promise, it's ridiculously simple, takes less than 3 minutes, and it's way better than anything you'd grab from a store. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of pure coconut water, half a cup of chilled sparkling water, a squeeze of fresh lime juice, a spoonful of honey or agave for a touch of sweetness, and my secret weapon, a handful of fresh mint leaves. If you're feeling fancy, slice up a few pieces of cucumber. That's optional, but trust me, it's a game changer. Okay, let's build this. Grab a tall glass. No need for any fancy equipment. Toss in your mint leaves first and gently muddle them at the bottom of the glass. Don't go wild here, just enough to release those oils. Next, pour in your coconut water. The fresher, the better, but whatever you have works. Add your lime juice and honey or agave. Give it a good stir. Make sure everything blends nicely. Now for the sparkle. Slowly pour in that chilled sparkling water. It's gonna fizz and it's gonna smell amazing. At this point, you're ready for ice. Pile it in, toss in those cucumber slices if you want that extra crispness. Give the whole thing one more gentle stir, and if you're feeling extra, garnish with a sprig of mint or a lime wheel. And that's it, boom. Your coconut water cooler is done. Let me tell you, the combo of coconut water and lime is ultra refreshing. Plus, you get that gentle fizz and the subtle sweetness from the honey. The mint and cucumber just take it over the top. It's healthy, hydrating, and honestly, perfect for when you want to chill out or impress your friends with a drink that looks and tastes like it came from a fancy beach bar. So next time you're sweating it out in the kitchen or just want something light and cool, remember this recipe. 3 minutes, real ingredients, and a whole lot of flavor. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments. I love hearing your twists and takes. Alright, that's it from me. Go grab a coconut and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.